Reframing our emotional and mental state with powerful affirmations doesn't just shift our mindset, it transforms us from within, rewiring our brain to reach a higher plane of being. Affirmations guide our energy toward a new dimension of growth, expansion, and limitless possibility. That's why they've become a vital part of my journey to well-being. If we seek to positively reshape and uplift our lives, to improve our reality and experiences, the truth is we absolutely can. We have this power within us. We have it. We have it. All we need to do is break free from autopilot by becoming deeply conscious and fully present. Through awareness, mindfulness, intention, and purpose, we can direct our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions toward the reality we want to manifest and experience. Now let's immerse ourselves in this practice together. Take this mindful pause to shift your energy, elevate your attitude, and reset your mindset. As you say each affirmation, connect emotionally. Feel the truth of these words resonate within you. Visualize your ideal outcome as if it's already here, filling you with gratitude and joy. Affirmation is a sensory, vibrant experience. It's seeing, feeling, and believing in your heart that what you desire is already yours before any visible proof arrives. If you're not already settled, find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your body, releasing any tension with each breath in and out. Feel your muscles soften as you let go. Relief and support are here, flowing into you with every breath. Call every part of yourself back home, present and whole, as we move through these affirmations together. Repeat the affirmations that resonate with you deeply. I send deep, warm gratitude to every cell of my body. I am thankful for its strength and resilience. In this moment, I choose to rise up within. I am rising. Any energy that is not serving me is dissolving and leaving my space. I am grateful, empowered, and I honor the beauty of my soul. I am enough. Just as I am more than enough. I am filled with purpose and endless potential. I radiate my true, authentic light confidently and boldly. I am growing stronger and more courageous each day. Every single day, I manifest beautiful, fulfilling experiences. My life is rewarding, expanding, and full of meaning. I am resilient. I am powerful. I walk my path with grace, dignity, and ease. My energy is light, free, and vibrant. I am beautifully, powerfully, and authentically me. Breathe these affirmations in deeply, allowing each one to root itself in your being. Return to full awareness, feeling clear, light, and empowered. You are stepping forward renewed, with a higher perspective and a heart full of gratitude. Thank you for journeying to a higher state of being with me. The path forward is yours. Walk it boldly and let your inner light shine.